Spencer, get off it, get off it.
Look. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Now turn over. Is that cold?
I would get muffin chunks and jump in it.
Can't actually see you.
Put your face in it. Mum, Chris, if you love Mum that much, put your head in it. Keep it in there for at least 5 minutes.
Wait, you'll be getting in a minute, do you?
Me.
Honey, could get out yet? My winking balls stuck up. My balls.
Oh, it's cold. No, don't get the children.
I got wet. He wet me.
Oh, honey.
Mum, you ain't laying down. Lay down.
Yeah, I didn't say you could sit up, did I?
I'm in Mum's blanket. So... Mum. Put your face in. Mum, don't have to put his face in.
Put your face in.
This is funny.
That's been at least 2 minutes. Is it recorded? Oh, Vicky.
Get in.
No, I didn't take it out. Is it really, really cold?
Yeah, it's really, really cold.
I'm in Mum's blanket. Mum, tell him Mum.
My feet are getting...
Get quick, Josh. Get the light on. Run.
I feel that she will drown and die. Honey, can I get out yet, please?
No.
My swallows ache.
Wait, so you're going to chuck it next?
No, my swallows ache.
You've got to chuck in one of
What's
your...
Spencer doing? He's getting
Spencer,
sleepy.
you've got to kick in one... Chris, you've got to put in one of your worst enemies. Oh, oh, he hit my chair!
Christian,
What?
how cold is it?
My balls have gone up my arms. Honey, my swallows don't exist anymore. They're just like one little walnut. And my penile is all inverted. Oh,
Mum, tell Chris to not get me because I'm in your blanket. So if you get to me, you're done.
He's gonna get out.
No. You gotta send this to Rachel.
It won't say that much. Oh, I'll put it on YouTube.
Chris in the
Honey,
pool.
it's still recording. It's gonna be too long.
I'll let you get out now.
No, Mum, don't let